Welcome back, everyone. Here's a look at our First Alert day track over the City of Columbia, the MU campus, which soon will have a bunch of students coming back. And if anybody had the chance to move in stuff today, it was great weather out there, really not a bad day. We had a few high clouds, but temperatures were held back a little bit. And there goes a moth across the screen. We'll come back on inside and we'll take a look at temperatures now across the area. And really at this time of night, 9 o'clock, it's really quite pleasant out there. Temperatures are back into the upper 70s, few lower 70s. Last night our low was 57, and the last time we hit 57 degrees was way back in June, I think June 26. So it's been a while since we've been that cool, but I don't think anybody's complaining. Outside the doors at the regional airport, lots of clear skies right now. 74 degrees. The humidity is rather low here at 38%. So we talked about rain here earlier. So any rain that we move into the area, it's going to take a while to really moisten up the atmosphere. But as we do, that dew point will go up, and so will that relative humidity. And I think we have a chance to see a few showers here overnight. Our next weather maker we'll show here is this cold front. That's making its way. It's pulling itself together in the upper Midwest, and that's going to move our way. And as it does, it's going to push out some rain. It's going to push out some showers here. And we can kind of see some showers developing here in northwestern Missouri. But like I say, it's really dry here. So any of that rain that starts to move its way on into our area, it's going to have a hard time really making it down to the surface. But as we get into your day tomorrow, I think we have a better chance of getting that rain here. So we'll talk about precipcast here. And you see the cold front, it's going to make its way into the upper portions of the Midwest, and then it'll move into our area. By the time you wake up here around 8, 9 o'clock, a few spotty showers. I'm not anticipating a lot of heavy rain, but maybe a spotty shower here as you wake up for anything you have to do in the morning. By the time we get to the lunch hour, still maybe a spot shower here, but I think mainly it stays north. All the heavier rain will start to move in here as this cold front starts to push in here. By the time we get to about 6 o'clock, you'll start to see a few showers and thunderstorms will break out here over the western portions of the area, and those will start to move our way. And I think here by the later portions of your afternoon into your evening and tomorrow night, as that cold front moves through, let's expect some showers and thunderstorms to move through the area. But after that moves out, we have some nice weather on tap. We'll recap the forecast here for tonight. 61 degrees, increasing clouds here throughout the evening. Still pleasantly cool, not a bad evening, but maybe a spot shower, but nothing. No all big rains here. Into tomorrow now, 88 degrees will do it for that high. Mostly cloudy here, and a few afternoon thunderstorms, maybe spotty rain showers, but into tomorrow night, I think we have a better chance of picking up on some rain. Sun sets at 7 tomorrow, so make sure you take care of your skin, and we'll talk about the forecast here for the next few days, and really not looking too bad. Sunday, we talked about the rain, but in here for Monday and Tuesday, temperatures back in the lower 80s. Guys, that's below average for this time of year. And we'll be back to 90 by Wednesday, but by Thursday, we'll have another chance to see a cold front that's going to come through. And really, some great weather here. Some of us get to see cooler temperatures, some rain.
Yeah, wow. It goes from one extreme to another. Above average temperatures to now below average temperatures.
Yeah, it's great, though, because, even average temperatures around 87, 88 just feels really cool like it was today. That's right around average, but hey, if we can get some rain, I think everyone's going to be happy. We'll bring it back on inside, and we'll talk about live Doppler rate. First alert radar, and we have a lot of shower and thunderstorm activity across the area, mainly in our eastern counties here, Gasconade, Montgomery, into portions of Cole County and Osage County. Nothing severe at this time, which is good. All warnings have been dropped. We still do have that severe thunderstorm watch, but I anticipate that being dropped soon. Hey guys, I'm out here in Boone County. I wanted to bring you a little bit of a different perspective on the snow. I'm out here in a snowdrift. I've busted out the trusty meter stick, and we're gonna stick it in here. I don't know if she can get this, but 31 inches. So although we got about 17.5 inches here in Boone County, these snowdrifts, it's 32 inches. So that's something you guys want to be careful about, because once they plow the roads, it's gonna start blowing. You can see, I don't know if you can get the flag up here, but it's really blowing out here, and that's going to blow some of the snow back onto the streets, back onto Highway 63, and even onto your neighborhood streets. So take it easy as you are out today, and I think we'll throw it back inside to the warm. Tropical storm Isaac pulling itself together right off the coast of Florida, and what's going to happen here is I'll show you, this has the potential to really affect our weather late in the week. Right now, it's about to emerge into the Gulf of Mexico, and what's going to end up happening here is I'll show you there's really not a good handle. Where's this storm really going to go? You can see these are called spaghetti plots. It plots where the different computer models think this storm is going to go, but it's a very widespread. What's going to happen is if this storm keeps moving off to the west and makes landfall somewhere near Louisiana or Texas, we have a good shot of seeing this move up toward our area. If it makes landfall farther off to the east, that's going to go up into the Ohio River Valley, and we have no chance of seeing any rain from that. Here's the projected path from the National Hurricane Center. Looks like it'll make a landfall as a Category 2 right now, right around New Orleans. And if it makes landfall on Wednesday like we're predicting, that'll be the 7th anniversary of Hurricane Katrina. So there's a familiarity there with those people, and they really aren't looking forward to that. Now, this can change a lot here in the next few days, and of course, we'll kind of hone in on when that's going to hit us, if it will. Airport, we're back into the lower 80s. 81 at the airport, 50-degree dew point, so that's very low, and that's really why we're seeing that low humidity, and that's really being helped by that north wind, so it's really not bad. A top 10 day out there. Hopefully you guys all had a chance to step outside and enjoy the nicer weather. Kind of keep that sunscreen, those hats, and all that with you, because boy, it is going to be hot, but there is relief in sight with this cold front here on Monday. So Memorial Day, like I said, afternoon showers, the morning looks all right, but we'll be at 72. And then by the time we get to Tuesday, much cooler temperatures, and then a little bit of scattered rain in here as we get into Wednesday and Thursday. But notice, temperatures are going to be a lot cooler into next week, but man, for tomorrow, it's going to be hot. So if you have to be outside, just make sure you take care of yourself, drink lots of water, and take along that sunscreen. And welcome back. We'll take another look at that Easter forecast here, and it's not looking too bad. You'll see the Easter Bunny hopping around. He's happy. Weather's going to be good tomorrow. I hope you guys all have a good Easter. Hey there, Mid-Missouri. This is Joy, an 8-month-year-old female American Terrier. Really happy girl, loves to play around, likes to be affectionate, will sit in your lap, and likes to throw the ball around. Really amazing companion. If you want to adopt Joy, you can by contacting the Central Missouri Humane Society. They are Mid-Missouri's only open-door shelter. You can also contact them with the information on your screen.